Good evening, everybody. The Tri-State is on a pace to set a record for the number of heroin overdose deaths this year.
How to stop that trend brought people together from throughout the region tonight. Local 12's Angenette Levy is live at Mercy West Hospital in Green Township with more. Angenette?
Well, Cammie, tonight's meeting was all about education and letting people know what heroin abuse looks like, because you have to know about something to realize when it's a problem. Tonight, Alec Schiering talked about how he became addicted to heroin.
It started with prescription painkillers that were given to me by a doctor for a back problem I had, and that declined over 2 years, and then I ended on heroin because it was cheaper, easier to get.
Devon is also a recovering heroin addict.
The first day, that's the hardest, and every day gets a little bit easier.
Alec and Devon say they're proof that amid a heroin epidemic, addicts can be helped. The number of people dying from heroin overdoses is startling. According to the Hamilton County coroner, in 2012, 125 people in the county died from heroin overdoses. Last year, heroin claimed the lives of 186 people. Just last week, Dr. Lakshmi Samarko said a heroin overdose took the life of a family friend's son.
It is in absolutely every neighborhood across this country, and anybody that thinks otherwise is deluding themselves.
Everyone in this room wants to prevent heroin use, deaths, and the pain it causes the users and their families. In Springdale, the health commissioner supported a needle exchange program. City council supported it too. But the health commissioner said council withdrew its support when a few people complained.
I was more disappointed to see that service not available really anywhere in the Southwest Ohio region. It's an important service.
Meanwhile, this week, Alec Schiering will mark his second anniversary of living clean. He hopes by sharing his story, people will become more aware of the problem and others will be helped.
Addicts will go to jail, rehabs, anything they can to not say I need help. We have to change that. It's just a stigma is all it is.
And one thing that was pretty interesting tonight, one of the speakers noted that if you notice spoons missing, spoons like this one but maybe the metal kind in your kitchen, that could tip you off that someone in your family has a heroin addiction, because many times addicts use spoons, the metal kind, to cook their heroin before they shoot it up. Another drug that was discussed tonight, fentanyl. It's a highly potent and very powerful painkiller that's often found in heroin, and it is very deadly in small doses. Reporting live from Green Township, Angenette Levy, Local 12 News.
All right, Angenette, thank you. Several organizations were on hand for tonight's meeting, including Talbot House and the Ohio Attorney General's office. The heroin epidemic in Ohio will be the subject of a live town hall meeting next Wednesday night, the 21st at 7 p.m. The broadcast will originate in Columbus and will be streamed live on local12.com.